Hi, I'm John Kane with Cook Martin Polson, and today we're going to talk about some important things to be aware of when selecting a CPA or tax preparer. And there's a lot of people out there that prepare tax returns, and unfortunately for the everyday consumer, that's not all tax preparers are created equal, and that's also not really conveyed very well to the ordinary small business owner. But there are a few things that you probably should be aware of to make sure that you've got a preparer that's on your team that's going to give you the high level of service that you deserve. The first thing that I would say you need to look for in choosing a preparer is, does the preparer reduce my audit risk? In talking with your preparer, does the word audit risk ever even come up? The last thing that anybody wants is to get audited by the IRS. You're going to get a pit in your stomach, you're going to feel sick, it's going to cost a lot of money to get through, and it's just not fun for anybody. So mitigating those risks and reducing the likelihood of you getting audited, I would say, is the number one priority in selecting a tax preparer. I would say number two is determining or assessing how proactive the tax preparer is with your situation. How well do they know the industry? Are they sending out constant contact or email updates with new things that's applicable to you and your industry? Anyone can put information into a tax software and generate a tax return, but that doesn't necessarily mean that they understand what they're doing or that they have a good knowledge of the industry and the deductions that are available to you. And then finally, I would say, look at the testimonials of others. What are people saying? Do they get good Google reviews? Look at their client list. Are there testimonials on their website? What are people saying about the tax preparer that you're potentially selecting? I would say use those three tools or tips as a guide in selecting a tax preparer. Over the years, we've obviously helped a lot of clients deal with IRS audits, and we've been able to successfully navigate through them through our extensive knowledge, history, and industry expertise. That, coupled with our proactive approach, will ensure that your needs are met, that you feel confident and secure and comfortable with the positions being taken on a tax return, and that your overall risk is being minimized. Our team approach will also make sure that not just one person is working on your work, that multiple people are going to be looking at it, reviewing it, making sure that nothing jumps out as being odd or potentially risky to you. And then on top of that, we'll make sure that you're getting that high level of service with that team approach, that your needs are being met, that there's someone always available to answer questions, and that you're being taken care of as you deserve as a client at Cook Martin Polson. So we've talked a little bit about some different things to be aware of with your tax preparer. If you have any questions about your tax preparer or maybe some risk that you might be exposed to, let us know. We're happy to review your prior returns and see if there is any risk, see if there's any changes that should be made going forward. So definitely reach out to us, and we're happy to help.